I just have one question, just one question. Can you just tell me 2 places that I can go looking like this, please?
The way you loving me, hot in my. The way you touching me, hot in my.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be following a tutorial by Thechicnatural, and it will be the ultra defined, perfect no heat curls in 1 hour. Let's see how this plays out, guys, because I feel like we have similar hair textures, and those curls were popping, okay? And I can't imagine my hair with those curls, but let's see if this plays out the same way it played out for her. We have similar coils, but I don't know if I feel like her hair looks softer than mine, but let's just see how this plays out, okay?
Hey everyone, today I'm here to show you guys the super easy, heat-free way to go from this to perfectly defined curls in only 1 hour. Alright, for this style, like a lot of my styles, I'm starting out with stretched hair, and if you haven't seen my no-heat method for stretching my natural hair to get a blown out look, I will link that video right down below for you guys to check out. For the finished look, I'm going to be wearing a middle part, so I'm going to go ahead and make that part now. Next, I'm taking...
Alright, so we start off with stretched hair. My hair is already kind of stretched. Her hair is definitely longer than mine because I've only been natural for like a year and 2 months. So let's go ahead and make that middle part. It's so much easier for me to just part with my fingers. Like, I think I'm just gonna do that because parting my hair down the middle, I'm not sure it's perfect, probably not. But I have a part down the middle. Okay, so this is what we're working with, like that. Okay.
Next, I'm taking some hair oil and applying that all over. Not so much that it's greasy and weighed down, but just a few drops so it's lustrous.
So I have my Pep hair growth oil. That's what I'll be using. I'll just use about 3 pumps for the 2 sides, because yeah, she said not to be weighed down. So that's what we gonna do. So let's carry on.
I'm sectioning my hair off into medium-sized portions.
Okay, so she tied up one side, and then she said starting from the back. Oh, wrong way. I don't know if I should make my sections as big as hers because my hair isn't as long. So I don't know. Let me see. So I have a section like this. Let's see what's next.
Hair off into medium-sized portions, just like this. Comb it out to remove any tangles. And then I'm going to apply some mousse, and I love this mousse right here because it gives me the absolute best set. So I dispensed about a quarter-sized amount, and then it kind of puffed up to this. Apply it throughout the hair. Then I'm going to set it with flexi rods, and I'm using gray in the back and the orange ones for the front half. And the way I like to do it is place mid.
Hold on. So we have to comb the section. Oh, my hair is so dry. I should probably put some more oil in this. So, put a bit more oil. I don't know how much mousse I'm supposed to put in, but I just put in just a little bit, and then comb again. I want to see how she does her flexi rod. So
to do it is place the midpoint of the rod towards the middle of the piece of hair, then wind the bottom of the hair around, and I always wind going away from my face. Once at the bottom, smooth it around a few times so the ends are nice and flat on the rod. Then continue with rolling the top portion until it's pretty tight to the scalp, and then
from what I understood, I'm not sure I got exactly what she was saying, but let's try again. Okay. Take the roller. Okay, I feel like I didn't put any mousse at the tip. That wasn't so bad. Let's see.
And then bend the ends of the bra to hold it in place. Okay, so a little closer in, detangle the hair, apply mousse, and for this you want to apply just enough so that the hair feels damp and thoroughly coated. Then starting at the middle, wrap the hair around going away from the face. Smooth the ends so they're flat. Then twist the top so it's flush to the scalp and bend the ends to secure.
Wrap it around. Like so. And twist. Okay. Let me just show you guys what it's looking like. Oh. So I've got 2 down. I'm just gonna go ahead and like get closer to the front, and then when I'm towards the front I will come back and show you guys how well I'm doing. So I've got 2 little bits left. It's actually pretty easy. Probably will be trying this some other time again. I feel like I've been putting way too much mousse, but whatever, because I feel like I don't want to risk not having this turn out just as good as hers, because this is a bit of work, and I want it to be worth it, you know? So, gotta put in that extra work and that extra mousse. So, roll it away from the face. Yeah, like so. Almost done, got 2 left. I'm sorry, but I really don't see the purpose of actually stretching your hair beforehand, because as soon as you put the mousse in, like, your hair starts shrinking back. So it's like, what's the point? What was the reason?
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I'm kidding. Kidding. I'm so proud of my hair. Like, look how much hair I've lost just for this hairstyle. Like, this is so little. I have like a few strands on the floor, but that's really nothing. It's just so nice when your hair is healthy, not just shedding all over the place. Yay, we are done. We are done. Let me show you guys the back. Feels a bit heavy. So I have in my head 35 flexi rods. So let's just see the rest of the tutorial and see what's next.
So I used about 30 rods for this, and now I'm gonna pull out my secret weapon, dun, 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 a fan. This, my friends, is what's gonna help you get some quick no heat curls. You just sit in front of it for about 45 minutes to an hour and allow it to dry your entire head. Now the mousse itself dries and sets pretty fast, especially when you use it on dry hair like I'm doing today. But this definitely speeds up the process and allows you to get a set with some hold, especially in a really short amount of time. It's an hour later and I'm ready to take out the rods. Just unbend the ends and twirl.
Okay. So I'm gonna go get a fan like Miss Kim was using, and then I'm gonna sit there. I'll probably do 15 minutes on this side, 15 on this side, 15 at the back, and 15 over here. So we have like an hour to dry the hair, and then I will be back to show you guys the final results. Wish me luck. Guys, I have been up and about town. Went shopping with my mom and my sister, and yeah, I went out like this, and then sometimes I had my scarf on, other times I just took it off because I couldn't deal. It was so hot today. It's like 32 degrees. So I have my fan here. I will be using this fan to dry. I'm so tired, you guys. Oh my gosh. I feel like right now it should pretty much be dry, but just to be on the safe side so that we didn't do all that hard work for nothing. So I have just dried my hair and hopefully it's completely dry. I've been out in the sun for like 2 hours anyway, so I think that was just enough time to dry. I just kind of went in with the fan just for the extra security and confirmation that it is dry, you know. I'm tired of these flexi rods because my scalp is hurting right now. I think I did them a bit too tight, so let's go right ahead and take them down. But let's first see how Miss Kim goes about it. Okay, so it's just the basic takedown, so. Ooh. So go in the opposite direction. Ooh, okay. Okay. First of all, this is not dry. Second of all, I feel like I just wasted my time. But we're gonna carry on. So nice to get off that tension though, because oh yo, my head was really starting to hurt. I'm just gonna say right off the bat that this did not turn out well at all. I don't know if it is because it's not completely dry or I don't know. And this is a bit of a fail. And it's so sticky. So sticky. I want to make sure it's complete. Wow. Okay. Like, what is going on here? This is really not dry at all. So I'm gonna put it back in the curl. Like I can't just waste my time like that. Nah. I'm gonna put this back in flexi rod. Okay. I've released some tension. I'm just gonna leave these ones in the front. My hair is definitely not completely dry, but my scalp hurts. Like, ugh, it's so painful. Probably did them too tight. So I'm just gonna leave these ones in the front and just let them air dry like this. And then the rest, I will probably take them out tomorrow because I don't want this to be a complete waste of time, you know. And I want to at least like have this hair in for probably a week. Okay, maybe I'm just pushing it. Probably 5 days. And so I will be back tomorrow to show you guys the final results, because I wasn't expecting this. Let's just be honest. I was not expecting this. This is whack. I don't know what Miss Kim did different to me, but I tried to follow exactly what she did, but you know, as you can see, This is not looking like her results at all. So I'll be back tomorrow to take the rest of the flexi rods down, and then I will give you guys my final thoughts. For now, I need to go sleep. Okay? Morning, guys. There's so much noise outside, but I hope you guys can hear me anyway. I just want to start off by saying that this is not a 1 hour routine, okay? I've slept in these, like I tried to take them out yesterday before bed and my hair was still wet. I don't know if I put too much mousse, but just look at this. Anyway, so it's the next day and I already have like bumps from, I think I did them too tight. Anyway, let's just have a look and see the progress. Yeah, there you have it. Definitely not what I was expecting. Definitely not. But let's take everything down and then see the final results. Okay. I just have one question. Just one question. Can you just tell me 2 places that I can go looking like this, please? Because right now I'm out of ideas. Just 2 places. Where can I go like this, please? Look at this. This took energy. This took time. This took product. Only to look like this. Like, I'm this close to crying. I'm so close to crying. Like, what is this? No, really. Oh my gosh. I think it's just safe to say that I will not be trying this again. Ever. No, it's just not going to work for me, right? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. We have now come to the end of this video. My scalp is sore from sleeping in this flexi rods all night. I need to recover from this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are new to this channel and you did enjoy this video, please subscribe right down below. And I'm still waiting to find out where I can go looking like this. So please leave a comment for your girl. Like, I need to go somewhere. Because this took so much time. This took effort. This took product. Like, I need to go somewhere. Okay. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.